Hi guys, welcome, and today we are going to make egg curry recipe. And as you can see, it's awesome and delicious meal. Actually, it's tasted more than I expected. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so that you can be informed whenever I post a video. And as these are the ingredients that we are going to use to make our eggs curry recipe. And here we've got green pepper, coriander, garlic, and the red onions. We've got the tomato paste, our grated carrot, 4 eggs, our lemon, half of it, and here we've got tomatoes sliced, 3 of them, salt, and here we've got garam masala, cinnamon, cardamom. And for now we are going to boil our eggs as we continue to prepare the curry. And we are going to boil our eggs, the 4 of them, for not more than 15 minutes. They'll be okay by then. And now we are going to and then you're going to add our red onions, this fourier, we're going to cook until it's golden like or brownish. We're going to let it just for around 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for it to be ready. And as you can see, the onions are starting to turn brownish. Then we are going to add our spices, that is cinnamon, cardamom, and garam masala. Then we are going to add our garlic. Then we are going to add our coriander and green pepper, and together with our carrot. Here the Then still we're going to add our tomatoes. Then add salt to taste. Then we're going to add our tomato paste. And now we're going to add some water. And as you can see on the other side, our eggs are ready. I'm going now to remove them and then peel them off. I'm going to remove the eggs and then peel them off. And as you can see, I've already peeled out the eggs, and now I want to dip them in the soup that I've already made. We're going to dip our eggs in the soup. Then stir. And you're going to leave them for around 3 to 4 minutes. It's gonna be ready by then. And as you can see, our recipe is ready. It's ready. As you can see, it's a delicious meal, and you can serve it with either ugali, rice, chapatis, but as for me, I'm going to serve it with ugali. Yeah, it's awesome.